Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a neon rainbow look. To start, I'm filling in my brows with the Benefit Brow Pomade. This is in the shade 3.5. It's very pigmented and opaque, so a little goes a long way. I'm lightly dispersing it through the brow using the Benefit Brow Brush. Next, I'm cleaning up the bottom edge of the brow so that it's nice and sharp. I always use my eyeshadow primer to do this so that I can blend my eyeshadow all the way up to my brows. My favorite primer, and the one I'm using today, is the Plouise base in shade 0.5. Once I've tapped this all over my lid, I can begin applying my eyeshadow. I'm using the MYO Makeup Neon Pigment Stack. First, I'm dipping into the purple shade. These are extremely vibrant, so I'm picking up the smallest amount every time. It's best to build it up rather than go in with too much pigment at once. These can also be really hard to blend, so I find tapping them to be the best method of application. With that being said, I'm going into the next shade, which is the pink, and I'm just tapping that right along the top edge of the purple. I'm also using a variety of small, fluffy blending brushes to apply these. After the pink, I'm layering on the orange, continuing to create that gradient effect. For the final shade, I'm adding the yellow, and this is going all the way up into my brow. The pigments are so neon that they look kind of funky on camera, but I can assure you they look amazing in person. Now that we've made it to the lightest color in the rainbow, I'm cutting the crease using the Plouise base in Morphe JH42 brush. I'm creating a half cut crease shape with a nice rounded edge in the outer V. Now it's time to fill in that blank lid space. I'm starting to pack the pink shade onto the area closest to the outer V. Next, I'm adding the red pigment, which we didn't add into the crease, and then I'm following that with the same orange and yellow shades going closer to the inner corner of my eye using a variety of small flat shader brushes. After that, I'm applying some winged eyeliner with the Benefit They're Real Extreme Precision Liner. This is the first time I'm using this. It's very good, easy to apply, and super black too. Moving on to face makeup, I'm priming with the Urban Decay All Nighter Primer. Then I'm pouncing on the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation in the shade 20NN, as well as the concealer in the same shade using the UVA Beauty Sponge. Once I blended all of that in, I'm setting underneath my eyes using a mini UVA sponge and the Urban Decay Ultimate Brush Off Powder. To add some depth and dimension back to the face, I'm contouring with the Benefit Hoola Bronzer, which I'm applying to the hollows of my cheeks, the top of my forehead at my hairline, along my jawline, as well as my nose. Now to highlight, I'm using the duochrome eyeshadow shade called Luna from the Urban Decay Elements palette. It's so glittery and pretty. For blush, I'm using the new Benefit Wonderful Blush in the shade Crystah, which is a lovely shimmery strawberry pink color. Now to set everything in place and melt the powders into the skin, I'm spritzing on some of the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. I'm also setting my brows in place with the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. To finish off the eyes, I'm applying the blue pigment to the outer half of my bottom lash line and the green pigment to the inner half. I'm also adding a bit more of the yellow to the inner corner so that it connects with the yellow from the top of my lid. Then I'm drawing a tiny point at the inner corner of the eye using that liquid liner from Benefit. Now it's time for lashes. I'm applying the Lash Freak Mascara by Urban Decay, and then I'm popping on a pair of Dodolashes in the style F327. To blend the falsies with my natural lashes, I'm tightlining with the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Black Market. Then I'm adding a pop of color to my waterline with the eyeshadow stick in the shade Fishbowl, and finally adding some mascara to my bottom lashes as well. Finally, for lips, I'm using a new favorite lip combo by Nova Beauty. First, I'm lining my lips with the 2-in-1 Snatched lip liner in the shade Nude 02, using the paddle brush to blend it inwards. Then I'm applying the Luminous cream lipstick in the shade Heaven and topping it all off with the Moisturizing Rich Glow lip gloss in the shade No Cap. And that completes this neon rainbow look. Let me know if you love vibrant looks like this in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.